Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make au jus. If you're not sure what au jus is, it's a wonderful sauce that really enhances the flavor of red meats. And it's really simple to make at home and it's so much better than the stuff that you can get in the packets. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe we need 4 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of flour, 1/4 cup of red wine, 2 cups of beef broth, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, and some salt and pepper. We're going to start by melting our butter over a nice medium-high heat. Now that the butter is melted, we're going to go in with our flour and we're going to get this thoroughly mixed and we're going to cook it for about a minute. Then in with our red wine. We're going to want to cook this till it becomes really nice and thick, almost like a paste. It's going to take about 2 minutes. It's going to turn a really dark, deep purple color. And then in with our beef broth. We're going to bring this up to a simmer. Once it comes up to a simmer, we're going to add in our Worcestershire sauce. And we're going to let this simmer for about 5 minutes. All right, that's looking fantastic. Let's get a taste to adjust the seasoning. It's a little bit of black pepper, and I'll meet you back over at the cutting board. And just like that, our au jus is done. It's a beautiful color. Now to serve it, we're just going to ladle it into a small serving dish. We want it big enough to make sure that we can get our pieces of prime rib or our French dip or whatever we're dipping into that in. Now let's get a taste. Let's get a taste. It's got a really nice, deep, rich beef flavor. The red wine, it's there, but it's very subtle, but it really enhances the flavor of the beef. This is going to be great with prime rib, French dips. You can even dip a steak into it. Use it on whatever you want. It's a really great au jus recipe. I hope you try it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. We also have an outdoor channel. I'll drop a link for that in the description if you're interested in checking that out. We'll see you guys in the next one.